Yeah, one more thing you always encounter is the hook chute always stuck. So what you want to do is apply some grease from White Lithium Grease by Lucas. You're gonna apply on top of here, inside, and then you will never see any more stuck. When they change the filament, there's a lot stuck in here, and eventually it will overflow. Okay. What I'm going to do now is going to apply some grease here inside. And if you have this, you're going to apply here on the side, and then you cover it back. Okay, just like that, and then you apply it here. Oops, so hot. Okay, what they're going to do is, see, there's grease here. Okay, and whatever the poop will come here, it will automatically drop into the poop bucket instead of the stuck in here. And try this, it works for me every time. Before I have applied this grease, the poop always stuck in here, and then it overflow, and then big problem.